Today we're going to dress up the front of this 2017 Focus ST with some carbon fiber from California Pony Car. These fog light bezels from California Pony Car will be a direct replacement for the factory bezels on your 2015 through 2018 Focus ST. They're made of real carbon fiber with a high gloss finish. They're made right here in the USA, and they're sold as a pair and will be a direct replacement for the factory pieces. The installation of these is pretty simple actually, but you just have to be careful. Basically, you got to pry this off to get the whole cover to come off. Also, if you're replacing fog light lenses, perfect time to do that. First thing to do is grab some tape. We're going to pry along this edge here. Just going to put a little bit of tape just to make sure we don't damage the paint. Here you can use like a door panel tool, plastic pry bar, whatever you're comfortable with. Something small enough to get in there. Basically just twist and they'll start coming free. Arc your way across. And then this one, when you get to the last clip, you want to pull kind of towards the middle of the car. It'll pop right off. And here you can see if you were replacing your fog light lens or your fog light assembly, you've got a torque screw here and a torque screw here. You can remove that and replace that as well. And here you want to be careful to make sure you line everything up. You got the little lip style clips, top and bottom, and these little hooks on the ends. Kind of get everything sort of lined up closely, and then you kind of want to push all together. You'll actually feel the clips lock in place. And when they're done, repeat the process on the other side. The carbon fiber fog bezels from California Pony Car are a great way to dress up the front of your 2015 through 2018 Focus ST. Now, full disclosure, the front of this car was actually recently repainted, so those bezels came out a little easier than they normally would, but that process is the same and it's not that hard to do. The installation should take you no more than about 30 to 40 minutes and be back on the road in no time.